How to hide all Facebook photos at once. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, do you want to maintain your privacy by hiding all your posts on your Facebook? Then you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. Open up your Facebook app, then go to the menu icon on the bottom right corner of the screen and then scroll down, go to settings and privacy, tap on settings again, and then scroll down, and then go to profile and tagging, and then scroll down, and you can see who can see post you're tagged in on your profile. Tap on it and set it to only me. However, this is only for the post that you are tagged in. Now, to hide your own post, you'll need to come back, and then you'll need to search for activity log. Go ahead and tap on activity log, and then you'll see public post. Tap on it, and then now select all, and then select all of your public post, and then tap on the three lines on the bottom right, and then tap on change audience, and then tap on change audience again and set it to only me. Now, once you have changed that, only you will be able to see your post and it will be hidden from all others. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.